Here we are reading points off a graph. Let's see how this works. Let's see how simple this is. So find the x value by using the horizontal axis. Basically, this right here is your x-axis. I'll write it in red. And this vertical line right here is your y-axis. In the alphabet, x goes before y, and that's exactly how you're going to write a point. The horizontal line also goes before the vertical line, and that's a way for me or you to remember that x is the horizontal line and y is the vertical line. If we're looking for a point, let's start with point A over here. So if we look at where point A is, just gonna highlight that in blue. You want to name what that point is. And if you're looking for point A, we're simply going to start from the origin right here, the 0, 0, and you're going to count how much the x has moved. So that's 1, that's 2 spots. And then if we count how much the y has moved going up, that's 1 spot. So A is located at 2, 1. We can do the same thing for point B over here. So if we go look at point B, if we start from the origin, you are taking off from 0, 0. So the x moves 1, 2, 3, 4, and the y moves 1, 2. So your B is located at 0.42. As simple as that every single time. This will never change. Now, if we look at point C, a little bit trickier because you're on the other side completely. You're where the x is negative. So we're just going to count and see what happens. When the x goes left, that's -1, -2. So the x is at -2 for C, but the y is at 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're at point -2 and +4. Point D, same thing. We're going to leave from 0, 0. And that's going to be -1 on your x. And then we're going to drop -1, 2, 3, 4, -4 for point D. And finally, last but not least, point D, if you count it, it's very simple. Point E, sorry about that. That's going to be at 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So +4, -5. So if you're trying to do the practice right over here, I'm going to reveal all the answers for you so you can check if your answers are correct. We'll start with letter H. We are located at right there, which is point x is +2, y is +1. Next letter we have is I. If you look for I, that's +1, +4. Then we have letter J. J is located at x -3 over here and y -4. Then we got K. K is located at +4, -4. And then we got L. L is located at -4, +5. This is something you can practice. M. M is located at -2, +1. N is located at, let's see over here, where's my N? N is right up here, so that's going to be 5 and +4. And let's continue with the last few. We got O. O is located at -5, -2. P. P is located at -3, +3. And then Q is located at +3, +4. And last but not least, R is located at 1, -2.